Hello everyone, welcome to the Advanced English course. In today's class, we'll be talking about words that you can use in your job interview. If you're creating a resume, you can use these words. If you are answering some questions, you can more than easily use these words. So we'll be talking about each one of them in proper detail. By the end of the video, I would want you to collect 5 words and start answering in the comment section that Ash, this is how I'll answer this question. Moving on, the first word is resume. Resume is a document that summarizes your qualifications. It tells about the skills and it tells about your work experience as well as education. Everything should be put in your resume. क्या क्या क्वालिफिकेशन है, कौन सी स्किल्स आपने अडेप्ट की हैं, कौन सा वर्क एक्सपीरियंस है और क्या क्या एजुकेशन है, वो सब इसमें आएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, प्लीज ईमेल मी योर रेज्यूमे बिफोर द इंटरव्यू. यू हैव टू गिव योर रेज्यूमे बिफोर द इंटरव्यू. नेक्स्ट, in case you need our help with any of the pronunciation part, any of the vocab enhancement, any of the grammar enhancement, please take a moment and visit our website english.learn with Sam and Ash. We are more than happy to be of your help. Next, the second word is strengths. Strength is generally positive qualities that make you a good candidate for the job. This question is often asked, tell me about your strengths. So, one of my strengths is my ability to work under pressure. Remember this, one of my strengths, that means there are more than one. I'm talking about one, which is to work under pressure. Always use words such as strength. One of the major strengths I have. They're asking you about the project that you handled last time. Because of my strength, I was able to do this. Next, we have experience. Experience is the knowledge or skills gained from previous work or activities. So you can always give example. I have 5 years of experience working in marketing. Because of my work experience, I was able to handle it. Because of my last project's experience, I was able to solve this problem. Start using such good words in your discussions when you are going for a job interview. Next is confident. I'm a confident human being sure of your abilities and skill. When you are 100% sure that everything you have written on your resume is correct, you can say, I'm confident that I can handle the challenges of this role. Instead of saying I'm good, just say I'm confident that I can handle it. Next we have punctual, being on time for meetings. जब आप किसी भी चीज़ के लिए टाइम से पहुँचते हो, I am always punctual and respect other people's time. I'm always, so this is another strength you can add in your resume. Not in your resume, but while you're talking to that person, you can say that one of my strengths is that I can work under pressure. Secondly, I am quite punctual. So whenever there is an important business meeting, there is a discussion, there's a board meeting, I will always be on time. Next is qualified, having the necessary skills, knowledge and experience for a particular job. The job demands this, and if you fulfill all of them, you can say, I am qualified for this job. I'm highly qualified for this position due to the education and the previous experience. Somebody asks you, why do you think we should hire you? You can say that I'm extremely qualified for this job because of my work experience as well as my education. My last project, blah, blah, blah. Then you can explain. Next, we have teamwork, the ability to work effectively with others towards a common goal. ठीक है, 4-5 लोग हैं सेम चीज़ की तरफ काम कर रहे हैं, उसको बोलते हैं टीम वर्क. Teamwork is a word that you should definitely use in your answers. I value teamwork and believe it's essential for success in this company. जब आप ऐसे वर्ड्स यूज़ करते हो ना अपने डिस्कशन में, सामने वाले को मन करता है आपको हायर करने का. You know, I'm qualified, I value punctuality, I am good teamwork player, I always respect other people, I have good experience. These are the right words you should be using. Next is adaptable, being flexible and able to adjust to new situations and challenges. I am adaptable and quickly learn new tools and systems. Adaptable एक अच्छा word है, आप बोल सकते हो I'm quite adaptable to new technology. I'm quite adaptable to the, oh my god, I'm so sorry. We'll move to, I'm quite adaptable to the new policies that are incoming. I'm adaptable to the new technology. Very smart word to use. Next, we have proactive, taking initiative and acting before problem arises. You know, problem आने से पहले उसके बारे में काम करना शुरू कर दो. Being proactive is crucial in identifying and solving issues before they become something bigger. इतना सब लंबा बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सिंपल सी बात है. प्रोएक्टिव का मतलब है टाइम से पहले चीज़ें सॉल्व करो. इससे पहले चीज़ें ज़्यादा ख़राब हो जाएं, उसको सॉल्व कर दो. आई एम प्रोएक्टिव इन सॉल्विंग प्रॉब्लम्स. I'm proactive in taking decisions. Detail oriented is another good word. Paying close attention to all aspects of task and project. सारी चीज़ें मुझे पता है क्या क्या है. I'm very detail oriented, which helps me to avoid mistakes in my work. Next is leadership, the ability to lead, guide and innovate others. I have strong leadership skills, having managed a team of 10 people in the past. बहुत अच्छा वर्ड है, आपके आंसर्स में होना चाहिए. आई हैव लीडरशिप स्किल्स, आई हैव मैनेज 10 पीपल इन द पास्ट, आई एम डिटेल ओरिएंटेड, आई एम अडेप्टिव टू न्यू सिचुएशंस. नेक्स्ट इज कम्युनिकेशन. अच्छे से कोई बात को कहना उसको कम्युनिकेशन बोलते हैं. इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन इज एसेंशियल फॉर सक्सेस इन दिस पोजिशन. Somebody asks you, as a manager, how will you handle this job? What is one thing that you will do properly? You can say that I'll have effective communication with my team members. I'll try to understand what their perspective is on this project. Next, we have problem solving, the ability to find solutions to difficult, complex situations. बहुत चीज़ें खराब हो रही हैं, उसमें अच्छा सा solution देना. I have strong problem solving skills which I have used to resolve issues in my previous project. मेरी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स की वजह से मैंने लास्ट प्रोजेक्ट में कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स सही की थी. इनोवेटिव, बीइंग क्रिएटिव एंड इंट्रोड्यूसिंग न्यू आइडियाज़. अलग अलग तरीके से चीज़ें सॉल्व करना, न्यू आइडियाज़ यूज़ करके चीज़ें सॉल्व करना. आई एम इनोवेटिव एंड एन्जॉय फाइंडिंग ways to improve efficiency in work. I always try to find new ways to make things easy. Next, we have multitasking, the ability to handle more than one task at a time. मैं ये भी कर लेता हूँ, ये भी कर लेता हूँ, ये भी कर लेता हूँ. I can work as an engineer, as a manager, as well as somebody who can handle the client also. I'm able to multitask efficiently without compromising the quality of work. मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें एक साथ मैनेज कर लेता हूँ और क्वालिटी भी नहीं खराब होने देता काम की. Next, we have ambitious, having a strong desire to achieve success or reach personal goals. एक बहुत अच्छा वर्ड है आपके डिस्कशंस में आने के लिए. जब आप किसी भी काम को पाने के लिए अपना 100% दे देते हो और मेरा हमेशा से प्रोजेक्शन है मुझे ये करना है. आई एम एम्बिशियस एंड ऑलवेज सेट गोल्स टू चैलेंज माई सेल्फ एंड ग्रो प्रोफेशनली. आई ऑलवेज सेट गोल्स, आई एम एम्बिशियस. मेरा एक डिज़ायर है, मेरा एक पाथ है. नेक्स्ट इज डिपेंडेबल, बीइंग रिलायबल एंड ट्रस्टवर्दी. दूसरों पे डिपेंड करना, ट्रस्टवर्दी होना, या फिर लोग आप पे डिपेंड करते हैं. आप इतने ट्रस्टवर्दी और रिलायबल हो कि पीपल आर डिपेंडेबल ऑन यू. You can count on me to be dependable and meet deadlines. You can trust me to meet deadlines. You can be dependable on me to meet deadlines. Next is analytical, the ability to analyze information and solve complex problem. बड़ी problem को analyze करके solve करना, step by step उसको break करके solve करना. My analytical skills help me evaluate data and make informed decisions. मैं data को अच्छे से पढ़ता हूँ फिर ही कोई decision लेता हूँ. तो I have analytical mind. मैं ऐसे अंधविश्वास में डिसीजन नहीं लेता. आई एनालाइज डेटा. नेक्स्ट इज कोलैबोरेशन, वर्किंग टुगेदर, उसको कोलैबोरेशन बोलते हैं. आई थ्राइव इन कोलैबोरेटिव एनवायरनमेंट, जहाँ सब लोग एक ही चीज़ को करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, मैं उसमें अच्छा परफॉर्म करता हूँ. नेक्स्ट इज मोटिवेटेड, ये एक अच्छा वर्ड है, आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. हैविंग अ स्ट्रॉन्ग डिज़ायर और ड्राइव टू अकम्प्लिश गोल्स और सक्सीड. हैविंग अ स्ट्रॉन्ग डिज़ायर और अ गोल टू अचीव. I'm highly motivated to contribute to the success of this company. ये सेंटेंस आप अपने नेक्स्ट जॉब इंटरव्यू में बोल देना कॉन्फिडेंटली, अच्छे से. जॉब आपकी है. I'm highly motivated to contribute to the success of this company. Of course, we have come to the end of the session. In case you need this PDF, you have to write us an email on learnwithsamanash@gmail.com. And in case you have any feedback, any comment, any suggestions, whether I should teach in Hindi or English, क्या mixture होना चाहिए, you can let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for this one, and I'll catch up with you in the next video.